For OrasiLabs students, it all starts with an invitation email. This is an example email from Marie Curie inviting her to attend the class named Introduction to Gravity, taught by Albert Einstein. When Marie is ready, all she has to do is click the link in the email invitation to log directly into the OrasiLabs classroom. Once in the classroom, Marie can quickly join the class conference to hear the instructor and see the shared content. When it's time for Marie to work on her practice labs, she can open the customized lab made just for her. Using the OrasiLabs unique picture-in-a-picture mode, Marie can follow along with the instructor at the same time she's working in her lab. Anytime Marie has a question, she can easily engage the instructor directly through the OrasiLabs classroom. The online chat facility lets her send private messages to the instructor or public messages to the class at large. Marie can also get the instructor's attention by electronically raising her hand. This notifies the instructor that Marie has a question and adds her to the instructor's electronic help queue. Using the convenient lab control ribbon, students can pause their lab at any point and come back later right where they left off. Libraries of class material, like video or instructional documents, can be added directly to the lab for the student to use during class. Optionally, these materials can also be made available for download to the student's local computer. Finally, when the student is finished, they need only log out of OrasiLabs. Once again, all lab progress is automatically saved so that students can pick up where they left off. At the instructor's discretion, classes can even be left open so that students can log in after hours to work on homework assignments or practice on their own.